Luxury cars are defined by their exceptional comfort, advanced technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and high-performance capabilities. These vehicles are designed to provide a premium driving experience and often come with a range of luxurious features and amenities. Here are the top 5 most luxurious cars in the world. Number 5. Lamborghini Urus. While not traditionally seen as a luxury brand, Lamborghini's Urus is a high-performance SUV that combines Italian flair with luxurious amenities and exceptional performance. The Lamborghini Urus is a high-performance luxury SUV that stands out for its bold design, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge technology. Here are some key features and aspects that make the Lamborghini Urus a top contender in the luxury SUV segment. Exotic design. The Lamborghini Urus features a striking and aggressive design that is typical of Lamborghini's supercars. It combines sleek lines, sharp angles, and aerodynamic elements to create a visually stunning SUV that stands out on the road. Powerful performance. The Urus is powered by a potent V8 engine that delivers impressive performance figures. With a combination of high horsepower and torque, the Urus accelerates quickly and can achieve top speeds that are uncommon for SUVs in its class. Dynamic driving experience. Despite its size and weight, the Urus offers a dynamic driving experience akin to a sports car. It features advanced chassis systems, including adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization, which allow for precise handling and agility, especially on winding roads. Luxurious interior. Inside, the Lamborghini Urus provides a luxurious and sporty cabin environment. It offers high-quality materials such as premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and Alcantara upholstery, along with modern amenities and technology features for comfort and convenience. Advanced technology. The Urus incorporates advanced technology throughout its design. This includes a sophisticated infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, digital instrument cluster, smartphone integration, and driver assist features for safety and convenience. Customization options. Lamborghini offers extensive customization options for the Urus, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicles according to their preferences. This includes a wide range of exterior colors, wheel designs, interior trims, and optional packages to enhance performance or luxury features. Overall, the Lamborghini Urus combines the exhilarating performance of a sports car with the practicality and versatility of an SUV, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance luxury vehicle with a bold and distinctive character. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is Rolls-Royce's first-ever SUV, offering a combination of off-road capability and unparalleled luxury, including a lavish cabin and state-of-the-art features. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the first-ever SUV produced by Rolls-Royce and represents the epitome of luxury in the SUV segment. Here are some key features and aspects that make the Rolls-Royce Cullinan stand out. Opulent design. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan features a commanding presence with its bold and elegant design. It embodies the classic Rolls-Royce styling cues, including the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and offers a high level of customization for exterior colors, trims, and finishes. Luxurious interior. The interior of the Cullinan is a masterpiece of luxury and craftsmanship. It boasts premium materials such as handcrafted leather, exquisite wood veneers, and metal accents throughout the cabin. The spaciousness and comfort rival that of a luxury limousine, with ample room for passengers to relax and enjoy the ride. Off-road capability. While most Rolls-Royce vehicles are associated with luxury and comfort on paved roads, the Cullinan breaks new ground with its off-road capability. It is equipped with advanced all-wheel drive systems, terrain management systems, and adjustable air suspension to tackle various off-road challenges while maintaining a smooth and composed ride. Powerful performance. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is powered by a potent engine that delivers impressive performance, allowing it to accelerate smoothly and handle with confidence both on and off the road. The engine options typically offer ample power and torque to effortlessly propel this luxury SUV. Number 3. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. A variant of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the Maybach version takes luxury to new heights with its lavish interior, advanced technology, and powerful engines. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is a pinnacle of luxury within the Mercedes-Benz lineup, known for its opulent features, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. Here are some key features of S-Class Mercedes. Exclusive design. The Maybach version of the S-Class boasts a distinctive and elegant design that sets it apart from the standard S-Class models. It features a longer wheelbase, which translates to increased rear seat legroom, making it ideal for chauffeur-driven experiences. Luxurious interior. The interior of the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is a showcase of luxury and craftsmanship. It offers premium materials such as high-quality leather, exquisite wood trims, and metal accents, creating a sophisticated and upscale ambience. Performance. While the focus of the Maybach S class is on luxury and comfort, it still delivers impressive performance thanks to powerful engines and refined driving dynamics. It offers a smooth and composed ride, whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Exclusive amenities. The Mercedes-Maybach S class often comes with exclusive amenities and customization options, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their tastes. This includes bespoke interior trims, unique paint colors, and additional luxury features. Number 2. Bentley Mulsanne. Another British luxury car, the Mulsanne boasts a handcrafted interior, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology features. The Bentley Mulsanne is another prestigious luxury car known for its opulence, performance, and craftsmanship. Here are some key features of Bentley Mulsanne. Handcrafted luxury. Like other Bentley models, a Mulsanne is handcrafted with meticulous attention to detail. The interior features premium materials such as fine leather, wood veneers, and metal accents, all crafted to the highest standards of luxury. Spacious and comfortable. The Mulsanne offers a spacious and sumptuous cabin, providing ample room for passengers to relax and enjoy the ride. The seats are exceptionally comfortable, often equipped with features like heating, cooling, massage functions, and adjustable lumbar support. Powerful performance. Despite its large size and luxurious amenities, the Bentley Mulsanne delivers impressive performance. It is typically powered by a potent V8 engine that provides ample power and acceleration, making it a joy to drive both on highways and city streets. Customization options. Bentley offers a wide range of customization options for the Mulsanne, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicles according to their preferences. This includes bespoke exterior colors, interior trims, upholstery designs, and additional features to create a truly unique and exclusive driving experience. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is often hailed as one of the most luxurious cars in the world. Here are some key features and aspects that contribute to its reputation. Exquisite craftsmanship. Every Rolls-Royce Phantom is meticulously handcrafted with attention to detail in every aspect of the car's design and construction. The use of high-quality materials such as fine leather, wood veneers, and metal accents creates a luxurious ambience throughout the cabin. Spacious and comfortable interior. The Phantom offers an exceptionally spacious interior, providing ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The seats are supremely comfortable, often likened to sitting in a plush, luxurious lounge. Smooth and quiet ride. One of the hallmarks of the Rolls-Royce brand is its emphasis on providing a serene and comfortable driving experience. The Phantom is designed to glide over the road effortlessly, with minimal noise intrusion into the cabin. Exclusive customization options. Rolls-Royce offers extensive customization options for the Phantom, allowing buyers to tailor almost every aspect of the car to their preferences. From unique exterior paint colors to personalized interior trims, the Phantom can be truly bespoke. And there you have it, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.